Remember the 2011 Super Bowl party at your boss's house? You know, the one where you overindulged and were caught on tape stuffing the throw pillows into your shirt like football pads? Oh, you don't? Well, after today, no one else will either. I'm going to very quickly teach you how to edit video using Windows Live Movie Maker so that only the things you want remembered will show up in the video. Let's start by opening Windows Live Movie Maker. Click where it says "Click here to browse for videos and photos." Select the infamous Super Bowl party video, and it will appear in the box where you were just clicking. Then, click the blue arrow just below the preview pane and watch the video. When it gets to the point where you begin to, let's say, use bad judgment, click the pause button. Then, click Edit on the menu and Split just below that. Hit play again. When the video gets to a point where you appear to be a mature adult once again, click Pause and select Edit and Split from the menu again. The video in the box should now be in 3 segments. Click on the middle section. Hit Delete. Now when you watch the video, your pillow trick is gone. Click on the down arrow to the left of Home and click Save Project. Then choose the down arrow again and select Save Movie and then For Computer. Now you should have a file on your computer with a .wmv extension so that you can relive the memory your way anytime you want.